C'est bon.
You have to cry for me. It's not a crime, really. But when you fight, the way you lie, it hurts me, and it is a crime for me. I cannot forget, I cannot forgive her, 'cause when I look in your eyes, I don't see mine. It's so easy to hurt, it's so easy to fight, but it's more difficult to apologize. Can you tell me what happened when you jumped into the realm? Please, can you don't leave me? Please, can you don't forget me? I'm just here in your heart and in your head.